Say there, did you hear the news? Sacco worked at trimming shoes. Vanzetti was a travelling man, pushed his cart round with his hand. Sacco was born across the sea, somewhere over in Italy. Vanzetti, born of parents fine, drank the best Italian wine. Two good men's a long time gone, Sacco and Vanzetti are gone. Two good men's a long time gone, they left me here to sing this song. Sacco sailed the sea one day, landed up in Boston Bay. Vanzetti sailed the ocean blue, ended up in Boston too. Sacco was a family man, Sacco's wife 3 children had. Vanzetti was a dreaming man, books were always in his hand. Two good men's a long time gone, Sacco and Vanzetti are gone. Two good men's a long time gone, they left me here to sing this song. Sacco made his bread and butter, being the factory's best shoe cutter. Vanzetti worked both day and night, showed the workers how to fight. I'll tell you if you ask me about the payroll robbery. 2 clerks were shot in the shoe factory on the streets of Old Braintree. Two good men's a long time gone, Sacco and Vanzetti are gone. Two good men's a long time gone, they left me here to sing this song. I'll tell you the prosecutors' names: Catman, Adams, Williams, Kane. Them and the judge were the best of friends, they did more tricks than circus clowns. The judge, he told his friends around, he was going to put them radicals down. Anarchist bastards was the name the judge, he gave these 2 fine men. Two good men's a long time gone, Sacco and Vanzetti are gone. Two good men's a long time gone, they left me here to sing this song. Vanzetti docked in '98, crept along the dirty street, showed the workers organised, in the electric chair he died. Now all us people ought to be like Sacco and Vanzetti, every day find ways to fight on the union side for the workers' rights. Two good men's a long time gone, Sacco and Vanzetti are gone. Two good men's a long time gone, they left me here to sing this song. I ain't got time to tell the tale, 'cause the pigs and the bulls are on my tail. I won't forget those men who died to show us people how to live. Now everybody here tonight, sing this song and get it right. All you people in Cardiff town, sing this song and sing it loud. Two good men's a long time gone, Sacco and Vanzetti are gone. Two good men's a long time